Mom, can we eat here today?
Yes, Emma. Let's have lunch. Hello. Welcome to McDonald's. Choose your favorite meal. Wow! There are so many choices.
I want a big hamburger. I think I want a cheeseburger. I want fries too.
Of course. Anything else?
Can I have apple juice? And I want orange juice.
I would like a coffee, please. Your order will be ready soon.
I am hungry.
The workers prepare the food. They make fresh burgers and fries.
The fries smell good.
I can't wait to eat.
Please be patient. Order number 255. Thank you very much. The food looks delicious.
Let's eat.
The family enjoys their meal.
My favorite was the cheeseburger. This cheeseburger is tasty. The fries are crunchy.
My coffee is very good.
I love coming here. I need more juice. This is a fun day.
Everyone is enjoying lunch.
I am finished. I will clean up.
Let's leave the table clean. We are ready to go. Have a wonderful day. I had a great time. Did you enjoy your meal? This toy is awesome!
It was a happy day at McDonald's.